Here we are on a PPS YouTube page. First, choose the video you'd like to watch. In the bottom right-hand corner of the window, you'll see a row of icons. The closed caption button, CC, turns captions on and off. The red line underneath the CC lets you know captions are activated. If closed captioning is not turned on, you will not be able to see the captions or be able to access any of the caption settings. To change the language of the captions, click on the small gear icon to open Settings. Click Subtitles/CC Settings. Then choose Auto Translate. And you'll see this long list of languages to choose from. Let's scroll down to Spanish and change the language of our subtitles. And now we see the captions are in Spanish. Let's switch to another language. Go to the Settings button, choose Subtitles/CC, then choose Auto Translate. And this time we'll choose Russian. To go back to English, open the settings, choose Subtitles/CC, and then English auto-generated. Thanks for watching.
A lot of new kids, and I'm happy that I'm in 4th grade because I can learn more and do more stuff.